we take some problems on this teaching of magnetic effect of an electric current. That problems are asked in CET, TMT exam, NEET exam. Yeah, preparing the first problem is that is a circular coil, circular coil A has a radius capital R, has a radius capital R, has a radius capital R, and current flowing through it, flowing through it each I. Another circular coil, another circular coil of radius 2r, and if 2r is current flowing, 2I is the current flowing through it, then magnetic field at the center of circular coil then magnetic field at the center of circular coils are in ratio. The multiple choice is 4:1, B 1:1, C 2:1, and D 3:1. That is one of the formula. A circular coil A has a radius R and a current flowing through it is I. Another circular coil of radius 2R, and if 2I is the current flowing through it, then magnetic field at the center of circular coil are in ratio. Multiple choice is 4:1, B is 1:1, C is 2:1, D is 3:1. See here, a circular coil A, that is a circular coil A of a radius capital R and carrying a current I. Second, that is coil A. Second coil B, circular coil B has a radius 2R, double of the first, and carrying a current 2I. We have to find the ratio. BA is the magnetic induction at the center of first coil, and BB is the magnetic induction at the center of circular coil due to the second coil. BA is equal to mu 0I upon 2R. That is, BA is the magnetic induction at the center of circular coil A of radius capital R and BB equal to mu 0. What is the current in the second coil? That is 2I or 2I equal to, and radius is 2R, 2 into 4. Here 2 to get cancelled. 2 to get cancelled. Therefore, we take the ratio BA by BB. BB equal to mu 0 I upon 2R divided by mu 0 I upon that is BA by BB equal to mu 0 I upon 2R and mu 0 I upon 2R get cancelled. Therefore, the ratio is 1:1. The first, second multiplication, multiple choice. B is correct, 1:1 because BA equal to mu 0 I upon 2R or BA is the magnetic induction at the center of second coil named as B, that is mu 0. Mu 0, current is 2R and radius instead of R here the 2R, here 2 to get cancelled. Therefore, BB magnetic induction mu 0 mu 0 I upon 2R, we take mu 0 I upon 2R and mu 0 I upon 2R get cancelled. Therefore, 1:1, that the second multiplication, multiple choice is correct. We take the second problem. That's another problem is very important. The second problem, that the problem second. A current of 0.1 ampere. Current of 0.1 ampere circulate around a coil. Around a coil, 100 tons, and having a radius, equal to 5 centimeter, equal to 5 centimeter. The magnetic field setup. The magnetic field setup. At the center of the coil is, this is also asked in CAT, PMT, question asked on this PMT 1993, 4, 5, multiple choice A, is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 5 Tesla. B, second multiple choice is 8 pi into 10 raised to minus 5 Tesla. The multiple choice C is 4 into 10 raised to minus 5 Tesla. That is D. Multiple choice D is 2 into 10 raised to minus 5 Tesla. See here, a current of 0.1 ampere circulating around a coil. We have to take a coil of 100 turns. A coil of 100 turns, it contains a number of turns, 100, and current equal to 0.1 ampere. I is 0.1 ampere. N equal to 100 turns. And radius of that coil is 5 centimeter. We know that current, number of turns, and your answer is in SI system. So that we have to convert the CGS centimeter into meter by multiplying by 10 raised to minus 2 meter. 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Therefore, the formula magnetic induction at mu 0 Ni upon 2R. That is the magnetic induction at the center of circular coil carrying a current. The formula is mu 0 Ni upon 2R. That is, mu 0 is a permeability. That value is given always. We know that the value of mu 0 is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. That is permeability of air medium or vacuum. Or the number of turns is 100. Number of turns is 100. And I be the electric current 0.1 ampere divided by 2 into, what is the radius? 5 into 10 raised to minus 2. That is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. 100, 10 raised to minus 7. 100 we can write 100 as in power 10 raised to 2. And 0.1 is written as in power is 10 raised to minus 1 divided by, here 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10 into that 10 raised to minus 2 here. See the calculation. B equal to 4 pi into, here 10 raised to minus 7 and 10 raised to minus 1 and 10 raised to minus 8. 10 raised to minus 8 and 10 raised to 2. Minus 7 into 10 raised to 2 divided by that 10 raised to 1. 5 2s are 10. 10 raised to 1 and 10 raised to minus 2 as a 10 raised to minus 1. Here B equal to 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 5, 10 raised to minus 7 and 10 raised to 2 and 10 raised to minus 5 divided by 10 raised to minus 1, or 4 pi into that is 10 raised to minus 7 and 10 raised to minus 1 has 10 raised to minus 8 and 10 raised to 2. That is 10 raised to minus 1. 10 raised to minus 6. That is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 6. That 10 raised to minus 1 in numerator plus 1. That is, our answer is B equal to 4 pi into, that is 10 raised to minus 6, that 10 raised to minus in numerator is plus 1, 10 raised to minus 6 and plus 1, and 10 raised to minus 5 Tesla. That is the answer. The first multiple choice is correct. 4.10⁻⁵ test. A straight wire. The third problem. A straight wire. A straight wire of diameter. A straight wire of diameter 0.5 millimeter. 0.5 millimeter. Carrying a current. Carrying a current of 1 ampere. Carrying a current of 1 ampere is, that current is replaced by another wire of 2 millimeter diameter. 2 millimeter diameter. Carrying the same current. Carrying the same current. The magnetic field at the distance, at the same distance. The magnetic field at the same distance. From the wire is, that is A twice of earlier value. First multiple choice. Second B multiple choice is 1/2 of the earlier value. C 1/4 of earlier value. 1/4 of earlier value. And D no change. Problem is that a straight wire of diameter 0.5 millimeter. Diameter of first wire is 0.5 millimeter. Carrying a current I of 1 ampere is replaced by another wire. We have to take another wire and change the diameter is D2. D2 is the diameter of second wire, 2 millimeter. Carrying the same current is same, and distance of the point A is same. Distance is same, current is same, but diameter is different. In diameter of first wire is 0.5 millimeter and diameter of second wire is 2 millimeter. It means that current in the both the wire is same, and we have to find on both the cases for the two wires, we have to find the magnetic induction at a point for the same distance. Distance is same, current is same, But diameter is different. It means that we know that the magnetic induction at a point due to the long straight conductor mu 0 I upon 2 pi a. A be the distance of the point or r be the distance of the point. It means that the magnetic induction at a point due to the long straight conductor does not, that equation does not contain the diameter, or that the magnetic induction at a point does not depend upon the diameter, it depends upon the current. These directly proportional to I. By changing the diameter, magnetic field is same, that is no change. The multiple choice D is correct. MCQs on the topic magnetic effect of an electric current. That is, one of the problem is that an infinitely long conductor is bent into the shape as shown in this figure. That is a straight conductor. It is bent into the ring. It carries a current I. And the radius of circular loop is small r. The magnetic field at the center of the loop is multiple choice. A is 0, B is infinity, C is mu 0 I upon 2 pi r in bracket pi plus 1, and the multiple choice D is mu 0 I 2 pi r into pi minus 1. We know that is the straight conductor carrying a current I, and it is bent into the shape, into the ring. It carries a current I, radius of the circular loop is r. Then the magnetic field at the center of the loop is magnetic field. We know that magnetic field at a distance at the center of current loop is due to the straight conductor at a distance r. The magnetic induction, first of all we have to find the magnetic induction at the center due to the straight conductor. That is, we know that according to the mu 0 I upon 2 pi r, that is B1. B1 is the magnetic induction at the center of circular loop at a distance r due to the straight conductor carrying a current I. That is B1 is equal to mu 0 I upon 2 pi r. And due to when the straight conductor is bent in the circle, then we find the magnetic induction at the center at a distance r due to the current carrying conductor B is equal to mu 0 I upon 2r. That is the magnitude. B1 is the magnetic induction at the center due to the straight conductor. B1 is equal to mu 0 I upon 2 pi r, and B2 is the magnitude of magnetic induction at the center of circular wire carrying a current I. B2 is equal to mu 0 I upon 2r. That is the magnitude. What is the direction of, according to right hand rule, we have to find the direction of magnetic induction at point O due to the straight conductor. Like this. The if thumb indicates the direction of current, then curved fingers indicates the direction of magnetic field. It is directed outward like this. That is, B2 is directed outward. And what is the direction of B1? Apply the right hand rule to this figure like this. If coil is holding, imagine that a coil is holding in your hand. If thumb indicates the direction of current, then curved fingers indicate the direction of magnetic induction. It is directed inward. It means that at point O, B1 and B2 are directed oppositely, so that B1 resultant magnetic field, we have to find the resultant magnetic field at point O due to the circular wire and due to the straight conductor. That is B1 is equal to B1 plus B2. But while adding the two vector quantities, because B1 and B2 are the vector quantities, while adding the vector quantity, we have to regard the direction of magnetic induction. B1 minus B2, they are oppositely directed. That is B equal to B1 minus B2 equal to B is equal to B1 is mu 0 I upon 2 pi r minus B2 mu 0 I upon 2r. That is B is equal to, we have to take the common here, mu 0 I upon 2r from both bracket, mu 0 I upon 2r in bracket 1 upon pi minus 1 by 1 minus 1 upon 1. That is B equal to mu 0 I upon 2r, LCM is pi, here 1 that is P equal to 1 minus pi like this, or B equal to mu 0 I upon 2r the multiple choice D is correct. That is the problem number 1. The magnetic field magnetic field inside a solenoid, inside a solenoid. The magnetic field inside the solenoid is first directly proportional to its length, B inversely proportional to the current, inversely proportional to the current. C directly proportional to current, directly proportional to the current. And D inversely proportional to the total number of turns. That is, the magnetic field inside the solenoid is directly proportional to its length. First multiple choice question is directly proportional to its length, inversely proportional to the current, directly proportional to the current, and D inversely proportional to the total number of turns. We know that the formula for, by using the Ampere circular law, we have to find the magnetic induction inside the solenoid is B equal to mu 0 Ni. Here N is the number of turns per unit length, mu 0 is the permeability of air medium or vacuum, I is the electric current. That is, as mu 0 and number of turns is constant, as mu 0 and N is constant, then B is the directly proportional to 1. That is the, if we increase the current in the solenoid increases, the magnetic field inside the solenoid also increases. That is, magnetic field is directly proportional to the current. As the electric current decreases, magnetic field decreases. That is the direct relation. That is the multiple choice C is correct. The next, a proton moving with a velocity, a proton moving with a velocity of 2.5 into 10⁷ meter per second. A proton moving with a velocity of 2.5 into 10 raised to 7 meter per second, enters a magnetic field, 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 enters a magnetic field of 2.5 Tesla, making an angle of making an angle of 30 degree with the magnetic field, with the magnetic field, the force on the proton is the force on the proton is A, multiple choice is 5 into 10 raised to minus 12 Newton. B 3 into 10 raised to minus 12 Newton. That is C 6 into 10 raised to minus 12 Newton. Or D, that is 9 into 10 raised to minus 12 Newton. A proton moving with a velocity 2.5 into 10 raised to, that is the positive charge, moving in a magnetic induction, moving in an external magnetic induction B. It makes an angle theta 30 degree with the direction of the velocity, that is the external magnetic induction, and that is force exerted on the proton. A proton moves with a velocity v. That proton, if the charge is moving, it produces the magnetic field. The magnetic field of the electric charge and external magnetic field, due to the interaction of the two magnetic fields, force will be exerted on the electron. That is, F is equal to, the formula is F is equal to QVB sin theta. QVB sin theta. That is equal to F equal to, that is charge on proton is E B sin theta. EBB sin theta, that is F equal to charge on proton is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Velocity speed of the electron is 2.5 into 10 raised to 7. B, magnetic induction is 2.5, that is sin 30 degree, sin 30, that is the F equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 and plus 7. 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 and 10 raised to 7. that's equal to the 10 raised to minus 12 into 2.5 into 2.5, that is 2.5 into 2.5, 5 by 25 into 2, that is 5 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10, that is 12 into 5 2s are 10, 0, 5 2s are 10 and 11, that is the 2.5 into 2 10 raised to 7, 2.5, the value of sin 30 is half. That is 1.6 divided by 2, that is f equal to 0.8 into 2.5 into 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 12, that is 0.8 into 2.5 to 2.5, that is equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus 12 Newton. 5 into 10 raised to minus 12 Newton is the answer. The multiple choice A is correct. 5 into 10 raised to minus 12 Newton. Take the another problem, that is problem number 7, that is a particle having a charge 100 times that of an electron is revolving in circular path, in a circular path of radius 0.8 meter with one revolution per second. The magnetic field produced at the center is A 10 raised to minus 3 mu 0, B that is 10 raised to minus 7 mu 0, C 10 raised to minus 11 mu 0, that is D 10 raised to minus 17 mu 0. A particle having a charge of 100 times that of an electron, that is Q is equal to 100 times. A particle that is 100 times Q equal to the 100 times electron. 100 times that of an electron is revolving in a circular path. A particle having a charge of 100 times electron is revolving in a circular path of radius r equal to 0.8 meter. R equal to 0.8 meter with 1 revolution per second. With 1 revolution per second. It means that we have to given the frequency 1 by t is given, that is 1 hertz. Path, the circular electron moves 1 revolution per second. The magnetic field produced at the center is, we know that D equal to mu 0 I upon 2R. Mu 0 I upon 2R. Or B equal to mu 0 I equal to Q by T. I equal to Q by T. That is B equal to mu 0 into, instead of I we can write Q by T. Q by T divided by 2R. 2R. That is B equal to mu 0 Q by T into 1 upon 2R. 1 by 2R. 1 upon 2R. That is equal to B equal to mu 0 times equal to 1 by T is a frequency, that is 1 into Q. Q is 100 times electron. 100 times electron. Charge on electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 divided by 2 into R. R is given. R is 0.8. 0.8. R is 0.8. Here B equal to mu 0. B 0.8. 0.8 get cancelled. Therefore mu 0. We have to write 100 written as 10 raised to 2 into 10 raised to minus 19. That is B equal to mu 0 into 10 raised to minus 17 Tesla. That is the answer is B equal to mu 0 into 10 raised to minus 17 Tesla. D square. The magnetic field produced at the center is problem number 8, that is a coil of 100 tons. A coil of 100 tons. 100 tons. 100 tons. And 5 centimeter square. 5 centimeter square. Area. Area. Is placed in a magnetic field, in a magnetic field, in a magnetic field, in a magnetic field equal to 0.2 Tesla, equal to 0.2 Tesla. If the coil makes, if coil makes an angle 60 degree with the direction of magnetic field, then magnetic flux linked with the coil is linked with the coil is that is multiple choice A is 60 into 10 raised to minus 3 Weber. B 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 Weber. C that is 5 into 10 raised to minus 4 Weber. And D that is 5 into 10 raised to minus 9 Weber. See the problem here. A coil of 100 tons. A coil contains a 100 number of tons. A coil contains a 100 number of tons. That is, N is 100. Area taken as area is 5 centimeter square. Area of the coil is given. That is 5 into 5 centimeter square. That is A equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter square. 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter square. That is, convert the centimeter square into meter square. Magnetic induction is given. That is 0.2 Tesla here. And theta equal to 90 minus 60 degree. 90 minus 30. The plane of the coil makes an angle 60 degree with the direction of the magnetic field. That is the 30. Theta is 30 degree. Because the plane of the coil makes an angle 60 degree. That is circular coil. That is the external magnetic induction field. Plane of the coil is making an angle 60 degree. That is the 30. That is phi is equal to the magnetic flux. Phi B is equal to NAB cos theta. NAB, N with the number of turns, A with the area, B is the magnetic induction, and theta is the angle between B and D. B and N, normal vector. Phi B is equal to number of turns is 100. Number of turns is given, that is 100. Area 5 into 10 raised to minus 4. That is in meter square. Area is centimeter square into meter square. What to convert? The area is given in CGS system. It converts into SI system by multiplying to this 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. 5 to 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. And T B is 0.2. 0.2 is written as 2 into 10 raised to 2 into 10 raised to minus 1. And that is theta cos 30. That is phi B is equal to 100 that is 5 cos 30. 5 2s are 2, 10. 100 written as 10 raised to 2 into 5 into 10 raised to minus 4, written as 100 as 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 2, that is 5 into 2 into, that is 10 raised to minus 5, 10 raised to minus 1, 10 raised to minus 5, 100 as 10 raised to 2, and value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Here the 2 to get cancel here. That is 5 is equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 and 2, that is minus 3 into root 3. The value of root 3 is 1.732. That is 5 into 1.77 is 8.66 into 10 raised to minus 3. Weber is the SI unit of magnetic flux. That is 8.66 into 10 raised to minus 3 Weber is the answer. The multiple choice A is correct. So problem number 9, that is a solenoid. A solenoid is 2 meters long and 3 centimeter in diameter. 3 centimeter in diameter. 3 centimeter in diameter. 3 centimeter in diameter. It has 5 layers. 5 layers of winding. 5 layers of winding. 5 layers of winding. Of 100 tons. Of each of 100 tons. Of 1,000 tons. 1,000 and 5 years of winding 1,000 tons each, 1,000 tons each, and carries a current of 5 ampere. Carries a current of 5 ampere. The magnetic field at the center of solenoid. Center of solenoid is, the multiple choice A is 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 Tesla. B 1.4 into 10 raised to minus 4 Tesla. 10 raised to minus 4 Tesla. Or C and C, that is 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 4 Tesla. And D, last multiple choice, D 1.57 into 10 raised to minus 2 Tesla. 1.57 into 10 raised to minus 2 Tesla. A solenoid, it contains, the length of solenoid is 5 meter. Here is 5 meter. Here is 5 meter. And the diameter of solenoid is 3 centimeter. It has 5 layers of winding. The number of turns in one winding is 100. Like this, the number of layers of the winding is 1000. Therefore, the total turns is N equal to 5 into 1000, and that is N. In one layer of solenoid, it contains 100 turns, 1000 turns, and it contains the 5 layers of winding. It means that the total number of turns is 5 into 1000. That is 5000 number of turns. And length is given. Here equal to 5 meter, and current 5 ampere. We have to find the magnetic inductance. That is V equal to mu 0 N I is the magnetic induction at the center of a solenoid. V equal to mu 0 N I upon N I, where N is the number of turns. In 1 meter length, the number of turns is N. In 1 meter length, the number of turns is small n. And in N meter, say N meter, capital N meter, total number of turns. That is N equal to NL, or N equal to N by L, N upon L. That's equal to B equal to mu 0 into, or to put N by L divided into I. The value of mu 0 is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 into number of turns is 5000. Number of turns is 5000. 5000 into current. Current is what? Current is 5 ampere, and divided by L. L is 5 meter. L is 5 meter. L is 5 magnetic induction. Current is 5 ampere. 2 meter. The length is 2 meter. Length is 2 meter. 2 meter. 2. That is mu equal to 2 pi into 10 raised to minus 7, 5 into 10 raised to 3 into 5 into 10 raised to minus 7. But to return the 5000 as 5 into 1000. 5 into 1000 is 1000 is 10 raised to 3 into that is 10 raised to 5 into 10 raised to minus 7 here. 2 2s are 4, 2 pi. That is b equal to 2 pi. Pi, value of pi 3.14. 5 5 are 25 into 10 raised to minus 4. That is b equal to 2 4s are 8, 2, that is 6.28, 6.28 into 25 into 10 raised to minus 4. After the calculation, that is 1.57 into 10 raised to minus 2 Tesla, that is the answer.